Good afternoon, Irvington residents. My name is Musa Malik. I am the business administrator for the Township of Irvington. I'm here today on behalf of Mayor Tony Voss with my sleeves rolled up for the grand opening of Jahsun Autobody and Mechanical Repairs, located at 994 Stuyvesant Avenue in the beautiful Township of Irvington. I'm here today with Jason, who's the proprietor, owner of this location, this business, and he's going to tell you a little bit about what they do here at Jahsun. Jason?
Hi, afternoon. I'm Jahsun. It's a pleasure to open a business here in Irvington. Here we do auto body, painting, chassis straightening, customizing job, wrapping, tinting, and mechanical. We swap out engine.
One of the fabrics of Irvington is our residents, our business owners, and we're very, very happy that Jason has decided to come to Irvington, open up a business here, give back to the community in the forms of fundraising and other activities that he told me before we got on camera that he loves to do. So please come down again, Jahsun Auto Body and Mechanical Repair, 994 Stuyvesant Avenue. Promote not only the businesses here in the township, which is important to the administration, but also patronize them, and we hope the residents come down and do the same for Jason. So who has the scissors so that we can ceremoniously open up this new business here in the township of Irvington? All right, we're gonna do a countdown. From 3, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right. Nice to meet you. There you go.